Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an interactive flashcard in Canva within seconds. So we're going to use a simple free-to-use trick to transform a static card into a clickable flipping learning tool that's perfect for students, teachers, or anyone needing to memorize informations. So what you need to do, open Canva on your PC or mobile and use the Canva AI feature. And in here on Canva AI, you can just find the template or the prompt provided by Canva AI saying interactive flashcard. This one in here. So just click on it. And this is the default prompt by Canva, but you can always change the content. For example, in here for this one is about a vocabulary learning. You can change it, for example, for maybe alphabet or animals or other language. This one is Spanish language, set featuring 5 common greetings. So you can always modify the content of the flashcard itself with your own needs. Just change this part and your flashcard now is ready. So this is how it will look like. This one is flip card, need practice. In next card, you can also reset game, or this one is shuffle. So if you already got the results, you can use it in a design by clicking on this one in here. You can choose whether you want to use it as presentation, doc, whiteboard, or website. So just click on the option and it will be open in a new blank canvas with the choice that you make. So guys, that's how you can create interactive flashcard only using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.